Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 10th class students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Awais Ahmed Shakir from Maryland High School. Exercise 2.1, question number 3. Question number 3 is, for what value of k, for what value of k, the expression k square x square plus 2 into k plus 1 into x plus 4 is expression or a perfect square root. It means for what value of k this expression is perfect root, perfect square root. For what value of k this expression is a perfect square root. No, for the find the value of k, a is equal to k square, the coefficient of x square is k a and the coefficient of the x is b, 2 into k plus 1 and constant term is c. Applying the formula of this is equal to b square minus 4ac, this is equal to b square minus 4ac. The value of b, 2 into k plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a is equal to k square and c is equal to 4. The square of the 2 is 4 and the square is on k plus 1 whole square minus 4 4 the 16 into k square. Open the formula a plus b whole square according to 4 into a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. This is formula is open according to formula a plus b whole square which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 16k square. Now solve the brackets. K square plus 1 plus 2k minus 16k square. Multiply the 4 all the term, 4k square plus 4 plus 8k minus 16k square. When the roots is perfect square root, the distance is equal to 0. Put the 0 on the other side. Now solve the 4k square and 16k square plus minus minus 12k square plus 8k plus 4. 4k square minus 16k square is equal to minus 12 square. 12k square, no arrange according to the arrangement. K square after the k square is the k plus 8k plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 12 is on the other side, changing with the sign. Minus 12 can be converted into the plus 12. 12k square plus 8 on the other side minus 8k and plus 4 on the other side is minus 4 is equal to 0. Now take the common in all terms. Take the common, 4 is take the common, 3k square minus 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. 4 is multiplied on all this term and on the other side is divided. 3k square minus 2k minus 1, 0 divided by 4, 3k square minus 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. 4 divided by 0 is equal to 0. Now factorize this term. The factor of this term, find the such factor which is the addition is equal to 2k and multiply is equal to 3k square. For example, 3k multiply on k is equal to 3k square. When minus 3k and plus k is equal to minus 2k. This is the two factor of this equation. 3k square minus 3k plus k minus 1 is equal to 0. Take the common first two terms. 3k is a common, k minus 1 plus 1 is a common. In next two term, k minus 1 is equal to 0. 3k plus 1 and k minus 1 is equal to 0. and no 3k is equal to 0 and k minus 1 is equal to 0 divided into two parts, k plus 1 equal 0 and k minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 is plus and the other side is minus 1. K is equal to minus 1 by 3 and k is equal to 1. This is the value of k in which the k is a perfect square. This expression is a perfect square root. These are the two answers of this question. K is equal to minus 1 by 3 and k is equal to 1. Students, exercise 2.1 question number 4. In the question number 4, for what value of k? For what value of k? This equation is equal to 0. Mean for what value of k? This equation is equal to 0. It means find the value of k in this question, where the coefficient of x square a is equal to 2k minus 1 and b is equal to 3k and c is equal to 3. Now apply the formula of this. This is equal to b square minus 4ac. Put the value of a, b and c in disk. Disk is equal to b is equal to 3k square minus 4 into 2k minus 1 a and c is equal to 3. This is when the solution disk is equal to 0. 9k square, the square of the 3k square. 4 3s are 12 minus 12 into 2k minus 1. Now multiply by the 12. 0 is equal to 9k square minus 24k minus plus 12. Take the common in these terms, in 3 terms. 3 common, 3k square minus 8k plus 4. 3 is multiply all these terms and divide on the other side. 3k square minus 8k plus 4. 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. It means 3k square minus 8k. 3k square minus 8k plus 4. Find the factor of this equation. It means such factor 3 is multiplied by the last one 4. 3k square multiplied by the 4 is equal to 12k square. Find the such factor which is addition is equal to minus 8k and multiplication is equal to 12k square. It means 6k into 2k is equal to 12k square and minus 6k and minus 2k is equal to minus 8k. Minus 6 and minus 2 k is a factor of this equation and put the factor k square minus 6k minus 2k plus 4 is equal to 0. Take the common. First two term 3k is a common, k minus 2 minus 2. Next two term minus 2 is a common, k minus 2 is equal to 0. 3k minus 2 and k minus 2 equal to 0. 3k minus 2 equal to 0 and k minus 2 is equal to 0. 3k is equal to 2, k is equal to 2 by 3 and 2 is on the other side, k is equal to 2. These are the two answers, 2 by 3 and 2 are the solution of. Students, solve the question number 2, 3 and 4. Question number exercise 2.1, question number 2, 3, question number 4, first part, second part and third part.